Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful performance trick in SQL, that is create index statement. So first we will see what is an index. So in simple words, an index in SQL is like an index in a book. It helps SQL server to find data faster. Whenever we will write select queries, it will find specific data faster, because if we will not use index, it will scan entire table to find out that specific row. With indexes, it jumps directly to the data. Whatever we want to find out on that index, it will jump directly. So we will see how we create index in SQL. To create index, we write create index command. Okay, I will apply index name on employee table, and here we will apply index on department column. So department index department we will add, and on now we will give our table name employee table. Then in brackets we will pass column name on which we want to apply index. So this index underscore department we want to apply on department column from employee table. So we'll execute this. So this creates an index on department column in employee table. Now if we will write a query, select star from employee where department equal to IT. Now we will execute this query. So this query will run faster, especially when we have data in thousands or millions. That time it will be helpful whenever we will apply indexes on specific columns, and with those columns you want to filter out data. That time it will directly jump onto that specific index, and because of that select query will run very fast and you will get data faster. And with the help of indexes we can optimize our queries and store procedures. So like this we can apply indexes on multiple columns as well. If we will add one more index in this table, index IDX department, and we'll change name of our index department and first name. So with department I can add first name here, first name. So this is how we can add multiple columns and we can create index on multiple columns. We can add salary as well, and we can execute this index. It will create new index. In indexes section we can see our indexes created. Whatever index we will create, these indexes will be shown here. And now we can write a query, select star from employees where department is this and salary is greater than, and we can apply filter on salary as well. So this is how indexes will work. So this is how we can apply indexes on multiple columns. So next we will see how we can drop our index. To drop index we write command drop index and give index name, whatever index you want to drop. Whichever index you want to drop, give that name, and then add on table name. So this index exists in employee table, so I have added table name here, and we can execute this and it will drop the index department first name index. So there are few important tips while using index. You should keep these tips in your minds. So indexes specifically helps for select queries. Overuse of index can slow down insert and update slightly. So this is for today's video. If you like this video, do like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.